family, everybody loves quesadillas. I can already smell the spices. Great, they're already melting beautifully. And this is one of those recipes that are very, very easy for children to love. Up, and there we go. Beautiful, beautiful golden color. I'm pretty sure you'll love this one. I'm going to be making cheesy veggie-filled quesadillas with Avo lime crema. They look like this, colorful, gorgeous, and watch out, we'll be done in 20 minutes. So let's start and let's have fun. So I'm going to start by finely chopping the onion. I leave the base, it makes it easy for me to chop the onion. They also say that if you keep the base, the onion won't make you cry. No, I can feel the tears, they're coming. Next we can attack the garlic. Okay, let's attack these beautiful peppers. I'm gonna give them a good rinse. So when I cut these into quite small chunks, we're gonna use these inside the quesadillas. So in our family, everybody loves quesadillas. Maybe it's got to do with the sort of theatrical factor that quesadillas have. It's always quite exciting to see whether they flip properly. And this is one of those recipes that are very, very easy for children to love and be vegetarian as well. Okay, I'm going to put the black beans and corn in here, give them a good rinse. Great, I'm going to pour them in here. So we're going to start by frying the onion and the peppers. I'm going to add a good drizzle of oil on my pan. I'm going to make sure my pan is nice and hot. Add the onion and the 2 peppers. I'm keeping the garlic for later. I'm going to add a pinch of salt, and I'm going to let these cook for about 5-6 minutes until they're a little bit softened. So now it's time for seasoning. So I'm going to add in the garlic, then I'm going to add in the chipotle powder, and watch out, this is spicy. Same with the fajita seasoning. If you have little ones, just use half. I can already smell the spices. Give it a little mix, and then I'm going to add in the black beans and the sweet corn. I'm mixing everything really well. I'm going to let them cook for about 2 minutes, and then we're going to add in the cheese. Okay, so now I can switch off the heat. I'm going to add in the cheese, and the cheese is a vital element because it's going to fold the quesadillas in, so it's going to kind of be the glue for the tortilla wrap. Now, if you want to make a vegan version, there's some really excellent vegan cheesies as well at the moment in the market that melt nicely and do the same trick. Okay, as you can see, they're already melting beautifully. Great, let's work on our Avo lime crema. So for the Avo crema, you can either use a bowl and a fork, or you could use a food processor. But if your avocado is nice and ripe, then the fork should do the trick. I'm just gonna slice it open. All right, then a little twist, and you open. So I'm gonna remove the flesh with the spoon. For the other one, I have to remove the stone, and then I do the same trick. Scoop out the flesh and put it in a bowl. So in the same bowl, I'm gonna add in the sour cream, and then I'm gonna start mashing. So if you're a guacamole lover, I'm pretty sure you'll love this one. We're gonna add in some lime juice for a little bit extra tanginess. Continue mashing. I'm gonna try to make it nice and smooth. Just a small pinch of salt. I'm gonna give it a try, but I think mine is ready now. So now we're ready to build the quesadillas. Okay, to build your quesadillas, you will need to have your tortilla wraps ready, and we're gonna add the mixture only on 1/2 of the wrap. And similarly, we're gonna fold it to make it a half moon shape. The trick is to make sure that you have enough mixture for all your tortillas. When you fold, you can press as well, kind of helps the cheese to stick. Here we go. Next, we start frying. So I'm heating my pan nice and hot. I'm gonna add a drizzle of oil. I'm gonna make sure that my pan is medium hot. The quesadillas need about 3-4 minutes to cook. So now I could be ambitious and put 2 quesadillas at the same time. Let's see how we get on. I'm gonna press it either with your hand or with a spatula to make sure that it becomes nice and well sort of sealed. So now to flip your quesadillas, you better flip them so that you keep this closed seam down. All right, the other one, let's go. Lovely, beautiful color as well. All right, we need another 2-3 minutes for this side. So these are ready. I'm gonna place them on my chopping board. And I continue with these other 2. Up, and there we go. Beautiful, beautiful golden color. Here we go, and in a couple of minutes, we're ready to eat. And so the last thing really to do is to cut the quesadillas in triangles and then plate them. I didn't put the jalapenos inside my quesadillas, but if you love the heat, you can also put the jalapeno inside the quesadillas. Then we're gonna top it all with the avo lime crema, and we're ready to eat. For more fast and fun vegetarian recipes, click here. From my side, bon appétit!